योर 80s जब आपने सर्जरी कराई,
Yeah, I was plus 80.
उससे पहले कितने साल से दर्द था?
Say about 2 years. And that was a COVID time. And my husband was sick. And I was looking after him. And there was no way that I should leave him and go anywhere else to look after myself. I couldn't do that.
I still remember the day when you came to me and you just opened the door and said, Doctor, next date कौन सी अवेलेबल है? I want my knee surgery done. And travel wise क्या क्या किया है उसके बाद?
US and Singapore. And then from there we used to go on the cruise and all that.
In 15 days, a person more than 80 years coming to my room with a black goggles पहन के, I think actually वो मुझे shoot करना चाहिए था वो, ठीक है? And you open the door again and said, Doctor stitches यही निकालने हैं कि कहीं और जाना है?
No, you just set a goal for yourself, what you want to do and what you want to do in your life.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर देवाशीष चंद्र है और आपका स्वागत है एक नए पॉडकास्ट में। पेशेंट एज ए फ्रेंड फॉर डॉक्टर्स बहुत सारे होते हैं और आज के जो मेरे गेस्ट हैं वो भी मेरे एक बहुत डियर पेशेंट है जो कि एज ए फ्रेंड मेरे साथ है एंड शी इज़ एक्चुअली ए पॉइंट ऑफ मोटिवेशन। क्योंकि बहुत सारे पेशेंट मुझे आके कहते हैं मुझे डर लगता है सर्जरी से, मुझे टेंशन हो रही है सर्जरी का नाम सुनने से भी। सो एक पेशेंट ऐसा भी है जो कभी नहीं डरा सर्जरी से और सर्जरी के बाद भी नहीं डरा, सर्जरी के ड्यूरेशन में नहीं डरा और आफ्टर द सर्जरी शी एक्चुअली डिड वेल। सेकेंड जो प्रॉब्लम आती है पेशेंट्स के साथ वो होती है कि एज, किस एज में मुझे सर्जरी करानी चाहिए। बहुतों को लगता है 70s 80s जो है वो कट ऑफ एज है, इसके बाद और सर्जरी नहीं करानी है, क्या करेंगे जी के। तो उस मिथ को भी मुझे लगता है यही पेशेंट तोड़ सकते हैं। प्लीज वेलकम मिस शीतल ओबराय। हाय शीतल मैम। शीतल जी, मतलब वैसे तो मुझे आपका एज डिस्क्लोज नहीं करना चाहिए,
अब वो मैं चाहती भी नहीं।
हाँ, सो बिकॉज एनीवन कैन लुक एट यू एंड से कि शी इज लाइक लेस देन 60s बिकॉज यू लुक वेरी यंग। मुझे मानते हुए ये मतलब ये मानना मेरे पेशेंट्स ने मुझे सिखाया है कि जैसा आप दिखते हो और जैसा आप बिहेव करते हो उसी एज के आप लगने लगते हो, ठीक है? तो मुझे लगता है कि आप उसके जीते जागते एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है? अच्छा शीतल जी, यू आर इन योर 80s जब आपने सर्जरी कराई।
Yeah, I was plus 80.
प्लस 80s। सो अभी आपकी मतलब कितने साल हो गए सर्जरी के आपके?
सर्जरी कराई मेरे को 4 years.
4 years हो गए। तो अराउंड 2021 में हमने सर्जरी की थी, ठीक है? अच्छा, आपको उससे पहले कितने साल से दर्द था घुटनों में?
Say about 2 years.
2 years के करीब था।
And that was a COVID time.
कोविड टाइम।
And my husband was sick. And I was looking after him. And there was no way that I should leave him and go anywhere else to look after myself. I couldn't do that.
Yes, I also remember कि आप आते थे जब भी आपने मुझे बोला कि husband is sick, I have to take care of him, to do something which...
No, not that the helper was there, but you don't trust the helper.
Yes.
You have to look after yourself.
Yes.
You know, it's a very near person to you. And my children, I've got 2 boys, and both stay in abroad. And I was the only person with him all the time to look after him.
So you were in pain, but because your husband was sick, so आपको उनकी केयर के लिए एक स्पेशलाइज्ड सुपरविजन के लिए जरूरत थी, and you deferred your surgery.
No, I kept a helper, but to do errands, small errands, but to be with him, I was the person all day. And whatever it is, the whole day he used to stay in his own room, but at night I would ask that you stay in my room only. I was in the different room that time, and he was, staying with me at night. And if he has to go to bathroom or something, I have to pick him up and take him on the wheelchair myself because the helper wouldn't get up at night. He wanted his sleep, proper sleep. So I was doing all that.
That's super courageous. कितने साल ऐसे केयर आपने किया हस्बैंड का?
मैंने उनका किया है कुछ 3.5-4 साल। COVID time total, and that was the time that you couldn't take him to any hospital also because I was scared that he get infected. So I used to talk to the doctors on the phone and get the things, ask him what has to be done next and what has to be done next. So that, like a video call, I used to do with that.
I still remember the day when you came to me and you just opened the door and said, Doctor, next date कौन सी available है? I want my knee surgery done. And I was actually surprised क्योंकि ऐसा कोई बोलता नहीं है. Most of the time patients are actually scared and they say कि आके बात करो, डॉक्टर कन्विंस करे या कन्विंस होके ही पहुंचे थे. तो व्हाट वाज योर रीजन बिहाइंड दिस, मतलब डायरेक्ट करेजियस स्टेप की मैं सर्जरी करा लेती हूँ?
Yeah, the thing is that looking after my husband, that I've given all my life to him, totally. And whatever life was left, I don't know how much is left. And I wanted to be okay to look after myself. Because my children, they were away in the abroad, and either I go to them or I stay alone. That is my idea. So I like to stay alone as long as possible and look after myself. That's right.
Great. At 80s, it is courageous that you took this opportunity और उसमें बोला कि हाँ, I will get my surgery done.
Yeah, but plus 80, I would say.
Plus 80. And I still remember, ये तो मैं स्पेशली सबको बताना चाहूँगा इस बारे में कि सर्जरी वेंट वेल, 2 दिन पे आप घर भी गए. बट the biggest thing which I think I should mention कि माइंड में सबके ये चलता है कि सर्जरी के बाद मैं चल पाऊंगा नहीं चल पाऊंगा, मैं ठीक करूंगा कि नहीं करूंगा. And in 15 days, a person more than 80 years coming to my room with a black goggles पहन के, I think actually वो मुझे शूट करना चाहिए था वो, ठीक है. And you open the door again and said, Doctor, stitches यहीं निकालने हैं कि कहीं और जाना है. And you were walking without support.
Yes.
And this is actually mindset. अगर आप mind से strong हो तो you can do anything. So this is what message I want to give all my patients कि age is the only number which is in your mind.
Yeah.
And you have to feel confident, do things right
Yeah.
to get the best outcome of it.
Yeah. And plus confidence, you have to have confidence. अपने में confidence होगा. And if you remember that I came alone to you. I had nobody with me, no support, no family person, nothing. I came myself and asked you that this has to be done. My son came later on. When I was getting my surgery done, that day only he reached.
He stayed for I think a week with you.
Yeah, he stayed 1 week and he went back because his family got COVID. So he had to go back. So he went back and I was just with my maid all that time. Then this your physio person, Dr. Said Waris, and he was a great help. And he looked after me for 2 weeks. Gave me all the exercises and all, and he asked me to walk without the walker, without anything, asked me to go to the stairs and all that. So he made me fit.
अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ, ये करेज जो है ना, ये आती कहाँ से आपके पास? इतनी करेज आती कहाँ से आपके पास?
कहाँ से पता नहीं कहाँ से आती, पर लेकिन पता नहीं नेचर में है.
नेचर में
ये भी हो सकता है कि नेचर में है कि भाई I've stayed alone more or less, I would say. Now independent life I had with my husband because my children were away to hostel when they were very young and just 2 of us were staying together. So mostly it was a deciding factor for everything.
I still remember कि आपने मुझे पूछा था सर्जरी से पहले क्या मैं क्रिसमस में सिंगापुर जा पाऊंगी कि नहीं. It was I think 6 or 8 weeks down the line.
Yeah.
So क्या हुआ उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं, क्या किया आपने उसके बाद?
किसके बाद?
सर्जरी के बाद क्या ये पॉसिबल हुआ या नहीं हुआ?
नहीं, फिर अब मैं फिर जा रही.
नहीं, तब गए थे कि नहीं गए?
गए थे, definitely.
तो you were the only person where I think who traveled alone.
Traveled alone.
6 weeks में down the line सर्जरी के बाद you traveled till Singapore without help.
Yeah.
Alone. And over 80s मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी पेशेंट में इतनी करेज होगी कि वो स्टेप ले और वो उसको प्रूव करे क्रिसमस तक जाने का प्लान जो है बिफोर सर्जरी बना था और आफ्टर सर्जरी भी आपने उसको किया. दैट्स अ वेरी गुड आई थिंक अचीवमेंट, जो मुझे लगता है कि लोगों को सुनने से लगेगा कि इट इज एवरीथिंग इज इन माइंड. इफ वी सेट आवर गोल्स.
No, you just set a goal for yourself, what you want to do and what you want to do in your life. So that is the main thing. You have to. Because now, I mean, children have their own life. I can't disturb their life for myself. So I like to have my own life. Though, I mean, of course, the time will come when I'll shift to them only. Because I won't be able to stay alone. But right now I can stay alone, so I'm staying alone.
So in last 4 years, what
Yes.
all things you have done? थोड़ा सा एक ये करते हैं कहाँ गए, क्या किया, कितना चलते
No,
हो?
I've been chalti kitna? I was walking about say 45 minutes every day, and now I have reduced because I do a lot of stretching at home. I do stretching and then I walk again for 2 to 3 kilometers, and then I go on the stairs also to keep my legs proper. I go about 50 steps down, 50 steps up every day.
And travel wise क्या किया है उसके बाद से?
US वगैरह, US mostly I used to go. I go to my children, US and Singapore. And then from there we used to go on the cruise and all that. But of course with the children, not alone. And before that, I've seen the whole world more or less, except Spain, which was left.
So next target you should make it as Spain. अच्छा, मुझे एक चीज बताओ कि people around 70s and 80s and 90s, they're very scared about getting a surgery done. They think their life is now going to end. खत्म होने वाली लाइफ अभी. तो उनके लिए क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हो, क्योंकि यू आर द राइट पर्सन टू मोटिवेट पीपल.
मैसेज मैं उनको क्या दूंगी, वो उनकी अपनी लाइफ है और अपना वे ऑफ थिंकिंग है कि क्या वो सोचते हैं, कैसे सोचते हैं. लेकिन आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट दे शुड थिंक इंडिपेंडेंटली ऑन देयर ओन फॉर देयर ओन सेल्फ कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दे हैव शुड डू. बिकॉज if you get sick, nobody is going to look after you. Even your children.
You have to be self-dependent every day.
Yeah, you have to do yourself things. And not that they won't look after you. I mean, they're your children and they love you. I love him and they love me. That is there. But only thing is that as long as you can do something on your own, that is much better than to depend on
others. Definitely. Great. So that was wonderful thing. I think शीतल जी, I think मैं अगर आपको देखता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर मैं आपकी एज तक पहुँचा तो आपकी तरह फिट रहने का डेफिनेटली एक मोटिव रखूंगा, और जितने लोग हैं आसपास उनको सबको बोलूंगा कि you have to think.
You will, because you are fit.
Yeah.
That's what I feel.
Hopefully I'll stay fit till 80s and 90s, क्योंकि जिस स्ट्रेसफुल एनवायरनमेंट में हम लोग रहते हैं, आई थिंक टाइम्स आर चेंजिंग. बट पॉजिटिव जो आपके साथ मिलने से लगता है कि मुझे जो लगता है पॉजिटिव वाइब्स मिलती है. एवर मुझे इस 5 साल में कभी नेगेटिव वाइब्स आपसे नहीं मिली. ठीक है, कभी मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि हाँ मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी या मुझे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मोटिवेशनल चीजें बोलनी पड़ी हो. तो आपके लिए मुझे लगता है मेरे को कभी नहीं बोलना पड़ा. And one of the success reason of your story is that you have been always positive throughout, always eager to do all the activities, never said no to anything. Even सईद के साथ भी मुझे लगता है कि फिजियोस में बहुतों को पेशेंट्स नो बोलते हैं, बट आपने किसी चीज के लिए भी नो
नहीं, मैंने नहीं कहा. Rather,
even yoga as well. You did a lot of yoga exercises as well.
Yes, I still do.
You still do. That's great.
May not be that extent, but I still do yoga exercise, stretching, and walking. Rather, once a week I go to the gym also.
Great. So, Sheetalji, thank you for coming to this podcast show, and for all viewers जो लोग देख रहे हैं.
You're welcome, and thanks a lot.
Thanks.
For having me here.
Definitely, it's our privilege. एंड लास्टली जो लोग ये पॉडकास्ट देख रहे हैं उन लोगों के लिए एक स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज ये है कि एज इज इन योर माइंड. आप जितना अपने आप को समझोगे एज, आप 50 सोचोगे 60 सोचोगे तो वैसे ही बिहेव करोगे रादर देन 80s या 90s की तरह. एंड सेकेंडली, कोई भी एज ऐसी नहीं होती जिसमें कि भगवान ने आपको बोल दिया है कि अभी आपका टाइम पूरा होने वाला है. द अमाउंट ऑफ डेज बचे हुए हैं, उसको अच्छा होना जरूरी है, अपने आप सारे काम करने जरूरी है रादर देन डिपेंडिंग ऑन अदर्स.
Yes.
एंड आई फील शी इज वन ऑफ द माई, उसमें पिक्चर में शी इज द लीडिंग हीरो, जिसको मुझे लगता है कि मुझे क्या बाकी लोगों को
Ideal.
फॉलो करना चाहिए. आइडियल हीरो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.
Thanks a lot.